How to set up Echo Show on Alexa app. To set up Echo Show in Alexa app, what you do is first download the Amazon Alexa application on your mobile phone. Open it up and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on this bulb icon from the bottom. Then tap the plus icon from the top right hand side. Then select Add Device. From here, select Amazon Echo because Echo is what we are trying to add. Now, again select Echo from here. When you've done that, it will ask us if our Echo is plugged in and displaying an orange light. So like this, you can see it needs to be plugged in and displaying an orange light. The orange light here indicates that the Echo is in pairing mode or in setup mode. So if you're not seeing the orange light, just tap on this no option and you will find the instructions to get the orange light. So if your device looks like the image on the left, press and hold the action button. If your device looks like the image in the middle, press and hold the plus and the minus button. If your device looks like the one on the right hand side, press and hold the mute and the volume plus button. So in the case of Echo Show, it is the microphone button and the volume plus button that you have to press in order to get this to pairing mode. Now of course, once you've done that, we'll just tap on continue. As long as it is displaying an orange light, what we want to do is tap on this little yes button. It will search for the device. Here you can see it will show up under the available devices list. Just select it. It will search for Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi as long as you're also connected to the Wi-Fi connection. And once you've done all of those processes, you'll be able to set up your Amazon Echo Show on the Alexa app. That is all for today's video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.